Hey, it's Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show, and am I excited? There is my brand new radio, the Tecsun S2200X from ANON-CO, ANON-CO. They sent it to me for review. It comes with charging cable, USB charging cable, and a USB power adapter, and some connectors, and something very important, a nice big user's manual. And in this package with the user's manual, if I can get it open here, there's the user manual, nice big manual with big writing, easy to read. Lots of details in this manual. This manual is more detailed than ever any manual I've read. And so I'm slowly getting through it. What I'm going to do is the next show on this radio, I'm going to go through the manual and go through all the details that they've added to the manual and all the options they've added to this radio. Now, back behind this radio, down there, is my Grundig 750. And you look at that and go, wait a minute, that's the same radio as this. Not quite. What they did is they took the chassis and all the buttons and all the knobs, the S meter, the antenna, and they reused that. But I guarantee you the internal electronics is different. I think it might be similar to the Tecsun. Yeah, it is sexy. Tecsun 501. I think that the electronics, but, and I haven't tried it, they mention a lot of little things you can do in the manual, in the new manual. Possibly I can do that in my 501. I'm going to check. Also, what came in the package with the manual is the hidden features, which I usually do, and a giant chart of all the controls and features that you can put on the wall to remind you, because there are so many. Now, they've added the airband, so that's new. That wasn't on the predecessor or the Grundig 750. They've also added some many other features, of which some of them are what I've been asking for a long time. I haven't used my 750 in over a year. So I can't remember what it did that what this one does that it didn't do. I just don't remember. I got to do my homework there. I got to do a lot of homework. This radio has got so many features. I did a quick test of reception. It did a great job. One thing I just want to mention right now is when I hooked an external antenna to the HF port, it didn't matter what position I put the antenna switch in, which is right here on the side. It was connected. So I'm not sure if that's correct or not. So I was getting the use of an external antenna without having to switch to the external antenna position. I don't know if that's right or not, but that's not a big deal. I'm not going to go in any more. The next video, I am going to do a review. I've made a Word copy of the manual. Anna sent me a PDF, and I converted it to Word, and I've been going through and highlighting things that to me are very important. So I'm going to go through that with you in the next video on this radio and go through all the features and changes and more details about things that were probably on the 705 that I didn't know. That's it. I want to thank the people at ANON-CO, Anna, for sending me this radio for a review. It's a beautiful radio. My 750 was a beautiful radio. I only stopped using it when I moved to software-defined radios, so I could have the big screen using my monitor. Whoa. Yes, I'm excited. I'm out of breath. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.